So you're here visiting Key West and you're looking for the hottest place for live music. Sloppy Joe's would be the place as per Google. I'm Karriann Graf, a local realtor here on the island of Key West, Florida, and I want to let you know on this channel we do so many videos every single day regarding work, life, play, sunsets, real estate, and literally everything that you need to know about Key West. It just so happens that I love to see the Larry Strickland and Peter Jarvis show on Thursday and Friday evenings at Sloppy Joe's. They take requests all night long. Be sure to tip them well and let them know I sent you.
Yes, I am a pirate, 200 years too late. The cannons on thunder, there's nothing to plunder. I'm an under 40 victim of fate. Arriving too late, I'm good at math. Arriving too late. I've done a bit of smuggling, not run my share of gas. I made enough money to buy Stock Island, but I pissed it away so fast. Never meant to last. Never meant to last. I've been drunk now for over 2 weeks. Passed out and I'm rallied and it's broke a few leaks. But I gotta stop wishing, gotta go fishing. I'm bound to rock bottom again. Just feel proud. Just feel proud. Ships a day, you'd only save us spend time away until the store gets up at home. And there's a girl in this harbor town and she works laying fireballs down. They say brandy, fetch another round, serve some whiskey in mine. Say, let's say brandy, you're a fine girl, my girl, why you would be such a fine girl? Loving my lady, let's see. Randy was afraid of change. He made a fine silver from the north of Spain. Now yeah, it bears the name of the man that Randy loved. He came, he's waking up with you. When I go out, you know I wanna be the man who's going out with you. So when I come home, you know I wanna be the man who's coming home to you. When I leave God, whatever he remains, I'm gonna be the man who's figuring on you. Well, I would walk 500 miles, I would walk 500 more. Be the man who walks 1,000 miles to go down that shore door. When I have lunch, no, I'm gonna be the man who's lunching up with you. To turn me on. Yeah. Reach your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. You don't need experience to turn me out. You just feel it all out to me. I'm gonna show me. You came me to play my now I want to undress me.
Don't get me wrong, there are several places in Key West all around Wall Street. Let me name a few of my favorite places besides Slappy where you can go and listen to live music. You can check out Hog's Breath, you can check out Hank's Hair of the Dog Saloon, Scotty's, Two Friends, Willie T's, and many more. On a side note, if you're here visiting, make sure you take a look at a few homes, especially if you're thinking about moving to Key West. Who doesn't want to join us in paradise? If you want to buy a home, then let your Key West Realtor help you make those dreams come true. If you're ready now, give me a call at 305-424-8800. There's no cost or no obligation for us to meet just to get you on track. Until next time, bye for now.